What? 1, 2, testing. Testing. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, buy limit at, I don't know, let's have a look. Almost done there. Yeah. I got my pressure. I got my pressure. Hey man, got a fantastic short on gold. Where? Where did you get it? So I'm looking for gold longs right now. Right now. I have my you know my buy limits. It's pretty obvious, right? So here's that range that we were trading on. We liquidated the lows and then we broke to the upside. So I'm looking for longs and longs only today. and oh, I am long gold. Let's see if we can get funded for fuck's sakes. Oh boy. I should have, could have, would have. All right. I'm not too. Yeah, I got in a little bit early. I'm gonna explain to you what I did here. Oh, it's fine. So we're 2 points of interest. 2 points of interest. Hold on. I'll explain to you. Hold on. Okay. Right. So here's gold. These are micro contracts on gold futures. I'm gonna delete this indicator. All right. So as you can see, we had the sell side liquidity equal lows. Boom. At the beginning of the trading session today, right? So here's that sell side liquidity, and we got that manipulation. All right. I don't do all this to my charts because I see it, right? But I'm gonna do it for you. Okay. We got that manipulation. I don't have a manipulation. Uh-huh. I'm just choosing my colors. You use my technique, but for shorts. Yay! Well, congratulations, man. All right. I'm just choosing my colors. Yeah, blue is okay. All right, so we got the manipulation here, right? And we had that buy side liquidity. We just broke above it, right? Shade. Um, so we had that break of structure here. Oh, it is thick. It is too thick. All right, and we had the break of structure. So pretty clearly, the entry model dictates longs, right? So there was 2 points of interest. Now let's see if we can catch in on what I did. Maybe what I did wrong. Yes, maybe. No, actually, no. We're good. So here's my point of interest. My exact point of interest where I got in long. Oh boy, Hold on. Uh-uh. Yeah, and I'm just 3K away from getting funded myself in futures, right? And so the second point of interest should have been the one that I to this one right here. Now, if we break with this point of interest, I will sadly close more than half of my positions. So my point of interest did not work. I should have chosen the bottom one, and I'm going to. Good morning, John. Good morning, Godspeed Freeman. Are you hunting for longs in gold? Yeah, I'm already feel gold long. A little bit in a drawdown at the moment. Can I open the trade, the signal you gave? I don't know. You do what the fuck you want to do, mate. I can't tell you what to do. So that's my gold. I'm just waiting for the Nasdaq to liquidate either the upside or the downside to get myself involved in a little bit of a trade. I thought the upward movement in gold is liquidity grab for potential downwards. No, the liquidity grab was onto the downside. So you need to be careful. This is a clear break of structure. There's a difference between a manipulation where you have wicks manipulating the lows and a clear break of the structure where you have a 15-minute candle closing, two 15-minute candle closings up, closing above the point of above the previous lows, the previous highs, right? And now we have the Nasdaq here and the E-mini S&P 500, same thing. The E-mini is about to break or get, it's about to raid the upside liquidity, right? Let's see what happens. And this would have been a sniper entry right here on the second point of interest. This is why I use wide stop losses, right? This is why I use wide stop losses. Um, because sometimes I'm not going to get that sniper entry. Yeah. So any questions, guys? Just go ahead and use the chat. I am 3K away from being funded this futures account. I have a bit of allergies. So today we had non-farm. I'm sorry. We had jobless claims that came way higher than expected. Way higher than expected. That made for a big move in the USD. I mean, it gave us directions, right? The USD dumped. That gave us a big move to the upside on the Euro USD and on gold, my friend. Silver too, I reckon. Yeah. Right. So no trades for me during the London session. I have a few prop accounts. I don't have too many prop accounts because I trade, private funds. But I have one. I had the first one that I got was a 50K account, which I lost because I hit the max drawdown with bad trading, mate. I'm gonna be honest with you. Then I passed a 100K challenge, which I still have, and it copies. It trades, and that's it. But that 100K account, I'm just compounding it. No need to withdraw. And this is going to be my first futures account, and I'm going to be focusing solely on futures. my friend. I find futures trading awesome and very, very profitable. You want to see my day yesterday trading futures? I'll show you. Yeah, I mean I like trading futures. Of course, that not everybody trades futures on my signal. That's why I have this account that tracks all my trades, right? To be able to serve you with good signals. All right. This was my day yesterday. I mean 6.5K. Um, I mean, I had just a little bit of a 300, well, let's call it $448 with fees in a drawdown. Seriously, considering getting funded, you should, man. You should. And this is my P&L distribution. Pretty cool, right? If this is not real money yet, this is still my account getting funded. But I will get funded eventually, right? There's no doubt about that. Why do you say futures is more profitable than forex? I don't know. I just feel it is for me. I mean, I trade the same thing. I trade the Japanese yen and the U.S. dollar, right, and U.S. equities. I trade the same thing. But I mean, for example, when I trade the U.S. dollars, I only trade the Euro USD or the Euro futures. So I don't trade the British pound futures. I don't trade the Canadian dollar futures. Well, sometimes I will, right? But it's only one product for me when I'm trading the U.S. dollar, and that's what makes it more focused, sharp focus, right? And when it comes to gold, yeah, I have gold. I'm also looking very much to start trading platinum because this is just fucking amazing. I'm gonna show you after the open why I'm looking to trade platinum futures. But yeah, I mean, I just like it more, man. And of course, the Nasdaq and you know, and the S&P. There's less products to trade. Less products is better. Thank you. I did do a little bit of trading yesterday, if you ask me, in the sense that I traded more than 3 times. But I mean, I was on the zone. So hopefully we can do the same today, right? That's why I'm gonna stay here for my entire session. Let's see if we can do the same. Just get in on trades live and get funded today. Fuck, that would be awesome. Yeah, and that's the thing. Spread is a bitch, but here the spread is not a bitch. Platinum futures, the spread is. I don't know if you can see it, but I mean, one. It's three. It's 3 ticks. Ah, yeah. The other thing is that it's only day trading, right? You cannot hold trades overnight with this. It's only day trading, which I'm fine with, right? I am a day trader after all. I do a little bit of swing trading, but not on this account. I cannot hold trades overnight. I get liquidated at the end of the day. Well, my positions get liquidated. So yeah, I'm gonna focus hard on futures. But it's the same thing, guys, right? So here I'm trading gold futures, but you can trade your gold CFDs. Like, oh shit, why am I down so much money on this fucking account? Oh boy, I mean this position size calculator is just fucking sucks. It sucks, right? I look at this. my I wanted to trade 0.5%, and he puts a 10 lot on this shit. Well, what the fuck can I do? It's gonna blow all of the profits on that I made on this account. I'm gonna I'm gonna have a serious conversation with those guys. Well, I'm gonna close a ton of this at the open. I'm gonna pop. Uh, you don't have to do that. I'm doing that because I need to maintain my risk. That's the other thing that I hate about this, right? Trading forex on forex brokers. These kinds of mistakes. You cannot. You cannot expect to have a good, uh, you know, a third party, a risk calculator is fucking up everything for me right now. Come on, I need that pop above that entry line so I can go back to my normal fucking risk. All right, there we go. I'll do that right now. All right, there you go. I'll do that right now. So, normal risk is set right now. Yeah, normal risk is set. Yeah. You see, so here when trading forex, when trading futures, and the thing is that this broker is called Tradeovate, right? Um, that's the broker that the pro firm that I'm using uses. So it's pretty cool that you can trade it from TradingView, and here there's not going to be any mistakes. For example, if I want to go long, let's say that I wanted to go long. This is no, I'm just showing you guys, and this and my I'm and my my entries here, etc. I just right click here and create limit order, and here I can see the exact risk, etc. The units, one contract, etc. The risk to reward. So it's pretty cool to be able to trade here in TradingView. Okay, go back into the profits, but I trade micro contracts, right? Because I trade micro contracts because you saw that with the example that I just gave you, right here, one futures contract on the Nasdaq had a just one contract had uh, a overall stop loss of about $850, but one micro contract has only 104. So I can trade 5 micros, right, and be able to scale in and out of my trades. But I can't do that with the full contracts. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Uh, why can't you hold trades overnight in futures? Yes, you can hold overnight trades in futures. I cannot do it because this is a prop account from a prop firm that doesn't allow that. But yes, you can trade in futures. There are swing traders all over the place. Due to the spread of silver, oil, and the rest, I don't like trading those. Yeah, it's that's just the what the the price of doing business to me. Yeah, it's a weird asset platinum, but I've been tracking it a ton. I have been tracking it a ton, and yeah, pretty cool. The market just opened. Let's see what we have here. 7:30 a.m. Is it open? I don't know. New York time right now. I never know when time changes. Yes, 9:30 New York. So I have to Google New York time right now. All right, so I'm going to put my gold trade on my left side because I don't have nothing to do with it. Just follow price action, and right now it's pretty cool. And Q. futures. I'm gonna put on that indicator that shows. You know what? I'm not gonna use that indicator. That's fine. So here we have buy side liquidity, and we have the sell side liquidity. Ooh, I like it. And we have the sell side liquidity. Right? That, my friends, is um, what we have right now. We need, that's sell side liquidity. Now we are just waiting right now. We are just waiting. Okay, we are just waiting for price to uh, you know,
UK Chancellor Hunt says, I would much rather the Bank of England took their time rather than having to reverse course.
yeah, we're just waiting for price to liquidate one of those tools. We had this, of course. Here's that liquidation of the highs. But I think that this is a trap, right? Um, it is. It is a liquidation of the highs, but I think that's a trap. I think that if we're going to go lower, we need to liquidate the 18, 241, 242 level. I'm up 15R this week. I think I'm done. Otherwise, I'll give it back to the market. Ah, fucking amazing, mate. Ah, fucking amazing. You are doing a great job. I'm up a bunch too. Great, great trade here in gold, guys. Congratulations. You're welcome for the free money, by the way, if you're not paying for my subscription, because I sent it to the free group too. Thank you, the fourth wall. I appreciate it. I'm gonna use that for marketing purposes. uh, Gold is looking good, right? Gold is looking phenomenal. If we're going to be able to take some trades today at the open, but I'm gonna stay here. Otherwise, here we have that. Maybe the E-mini is going to liquidate the highs first. Who knows? Who the fuck knows, right? We're gonna have a look at both of them. We got the E-mini, but I need a 50-minute chart. And the Nasdaq. All right. So here we have the two assets that I'm looking to trade. But I'm gonna look at the Nasdaq here because I already drew the fucking lines. Where's the lines? All right. Yeah, and you know what? The fourth wall. I'm pretty happy that you are up 15R this week. And that you took fucking profits because because yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy what I'm going to say, but it's true because the thing is that I see a ton of people, a ton of traders, just not taking profits, right? Because they have FOMO about not being able to, they have FOMO by uh, about leaving money on the table in the sense that the fear that they have is that shit, I'm going to if I close right now, if I close right now, I might miss on the rest of the move, and then they hold their trades, and because they don't follow the plan, the trade goes back against them, and they end up either at break even or losing. And to me that's funny, you know, because yeah, that may. I mean, I mean, you have seen me. I don't claim to be the greatest trade of all times. Fuck. Sometimes I'll just, I'll cut my trades off way too soon, and just to see the asset go in my direction, 200 pips, and that's okay. I'm fine with that. I know who I am, and never in the history of trading has anyone ever gone broke by taking profits. So yeah. But yeah. Uh, So pretty much nothing to do here on the Nasdaq or on the E-mini. I have no trades on the euro, so focusing on the S&P 500 and what the fuck happened with the lines? I can't believe this shit. I just placed the lines, right? And now I can't. I'm sorry about that, but my allergies are acting up today, so there's nothing I can do. Uh, and all right, let's just wait for this to develop, man, because I'm gonna stick around, right? I don't have anything to do today other than trade. But yeah, all right, gold. Um, Retracing back a little bit, that's okay. That is more than okay. I'm only going to look at gold. So we got that buy side liquidity again. I have to draw them. You know what? I'll do it here. And I am going to do it here. Oh, fuck this dog. Uh, Save. All right. So here's those two that I'm looking at. I'm doing fine, man. I was showing everybody this. This is my trade history from yesterday. And I'm just waiting, man. Just waiting, 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 waiting. Oh boy. What? Babu. ¿Qué pasa, pues? Venga. ¿A quién está ladrando usted? Oye, oye, oye. Ah, sí. Ah, sí, sí. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, the Nasdaq is moving, but it's still within my range, man. I can't do anything unless, I mean, I reckon I could go to the lower time frames, right, and find a trade, but wouldn't be. I'm gonna show you actually. So this highs got liquidated on the Nasdaq, right? Uh, yeah. So I guess I could go to a very low time frames to see. But this has already been mitigated. So if this is the move, I missed it, right? If this is the actual move, I missed it, which is fine. Oh, I think that this is all about Tesla. Tesla was down pre-market, and Tesla just loves to drag the Nasdaq down. So I don't know. At least. All right. I think I'm gonna focus on the S&P 500. Remember, I just trade the Nasdaq or the S&P 500. That's it. I don't trade the Dow. I don't trade the Russell. I don't trade anything else. I'm sorry. Um. All right. So it's learn. Son of a bitch. Slash signals. I don't understand. All right. So with Longhorn FX trading indices is risky because one micro lot moves a pip per dollar. Shit, yeah, that is risky. More so if you have a small account, right? Okay. Audio is fine for me. Only when you look away, it's hard to hear. Yeah, because of the microphone. But whoa. But it's all right, all right, all right. Okay, so We're just waiting, man. Here we
President Xi there of China said.
we are just waiting. Yep. Oh boy. Okay, guys. So I'm just waiting here. I am just waiting. And this might be one of those days where it's just one of those days. you know, where there's absolutely no trades, which is all right, guys, which is fine. It's okay to have a slow day. More so with me because yesterday I had a massive day. It is just one of those days. Oh boy. No. ¿Qué pasa, pues? Venga, pues. Súbase. Yo no voy a salir ahorita. So any questions, man? Because if you're not, I'm just going to answer emails here on my phone. Okay. Nothing to do here, right? Nothing to. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Why not? Oh, well, man, we might get a big. The thing is that, all right, let's talk about Bitcoin because it's cool. What? Venga, pues, súbase, pues, súbase. Súbase, señora. Oye, 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 oye. Oh. My needy, my much, yeah, I mean, she's so needy. Look at her. What? She's so needy. All right, so Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Yeah, I do a little bit, not too much. I'm not, I miss the. I wasn't a big, crypto guy, back in the day. So no, I don't have a ton of Bitcoin. I have some, but I use it for transactions. I live in El Salvador, man, and here it's tender currency. right, so Bitcoin. Looking good for longs, right? Look at this. You see an entire imbalance here on the hourly just got mitigated. Would look very good. We have a breaker here. The breaker is all the way up here. We have a breaker at the top of that imbalance. You missed it when it was 500. Yeah, I missed it too, man. And I feel that right now it's just too expensive. Yeah, I mean, people say it can go to 60. I mean, to 100K, to a million K. But would you really um, trust someone else about that? I don't know. I I don't have analysis or anything. But yeah, this is what I'm telling you, right? That pretty good, long um, setup here in Bitcoin. I would take it myself, but again, boom, liquidation here. I would take it, but again, I can't hold overnight trade. So, and this is the hourly chart in Bitcoin, and I just can't. But it's looking very good, if you ask me. Okay, let's wait and see what happens here with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. The S&P 500 is much closer to give us a liquidation of those highs than the Nasdaq is. Still inside of that range. I can't trade inside of this range. This is just not tradable for me. So your car costs you half a million, yeah. That's funny. I mean, don't look at it that way. You're gonna give yourself cancer. It's just one of those days. All right, gold rocking at the moment. You know what? I'm going to make a little video. Uh huh. But I need to use Instagram. Hey, my son sent me a message because of my birthday. It was my birthday 2 days ago. Nobody congratulate me here. What the fuck is wrong with you? Mama. Good morning, everybody. So today we're just holding on to a gold winner. Yeah, that's a much better, much better angle. A gold winner, and let me show you. Here's that gold winner that we got filled on pre-market, pretty sniper entry, and we're just waiting here on the live show with all of these people for a setup on the S&P 500. So come join me. Thank you, Godspeed Freeman, my man from Las Vegas. My birthday was 2 days ago, man. Good morning, everybody. So today we're just holding on to a gold winner. Yeah, that's a much better, much better winner. All right. All right, all right, all right. Pretty awful. Pretty awful. Open, right? I have zero trades for the US dollar. I knew that we weren't going to make a deep pullback here on the euro. 6E, this is the euro USD futures or the euro futures, whatever you want to call them. It's like the euro US dollar. Happy birthday, mate. I'm at the age I don't want to know how old I am. But how old do you think I am? I'm 43, man. I know I look young, but I'm 43. Fucking 43. Shit. 42, I think. I'm from 82, so that makes me 42. I'm 42. Right, so no trades other than gold longs. That's silver. I mean, silver is something I trade rarely. Oh, let's talk about platinum. Yeah, platinum. I really dig those big moves on platinum. You know what? I'm not gonna talk about platinum. Also, copper and crude oil. Maybe? No. And here I just like to look at grains. Agricultural is something I don't trade. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right. Up 350 bucks. My risk here on gold was about $500. So not what 1 hour just yet. I reckon I'll take some of it off here, most of it off here at the highs of the move, but it's looking good, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move my stop losses higher. I'm gonna move my stop losses to below this low. Now I have a risk, almost a risk-free trade. Boom, there you go. So about to run at 1 hour. I'll take some off. I'll take some off later, not now. So you are all welcome for the free money, by the way. Huh. How old are you? Are you younger? Am I older than you? MQ, no, that's E-mini. All right, the E-mini about to take those highs. Gold, gold is looking very strong. Booyah shaka. Oh, hold on. Let's send this at try running at almost 1 hour. Where did just get a fucking bone. Okay, man. That was a very nice trade in gold, right? Pretty nice trade in gold. Oh, very nice. Boom, 500. I'm gonna take 4 contracts off here. Sell, boom.
Order filled.
And I'm order filled, and I'm gonna move my stops to break even. So here on the signal, I shall take. I'm gonna do that from my phone actually because on the MT5 app, I can exactly know how much money I'm closing. So 5, 45. Yeah, I'll close. I'll close 40 for 1 hour. Almost 1 hour, you know. Yeah, I'll close. Order field. People like that. It's the voice is from this tree, from this broker. 45. Boom. No connection, you bitch. Invalid parameters. God damn it. All right. Boom. And moving stops to break even. And moving stop losses to break even. Boom. Boom. All right, so great trading gold. Great trading gold. Now I'm gonna let this one ride with my little last micro contract up 485 bucks for the day or so. Not too many trades, so I don't think I'm gonna get funded today. But you know what? Have a look at the S&P 500, the E-mini, looking very, very, very bearish. I'm gonna explain to you why I said that. All right, so the S&P 500 liquidating those highs. Let's see if we get a price failure. All right, so I'm gonna focus on this. My focus will be the S&P 500 on the 5-minute chart. Liquidation of the highs. There you go, guys. Liquidation of those highs. So where the fuck is my? There you go. Liquidation of those highs. Let's see if we can get a I'm not gonna enter short here. That would be fucking insane, right? That would be fucking insane. We need that price structure shift. We need that price structure shift, market structure shift. I'm sorry. Ooh, Ooh, order field. I'm not gonna get into aggressive shorts here. I could, in fact, do that, but my stop. I mean, I don't like aggressive trading myself. I just hate it. Yesterday, I did do a little bit of aggressive trading, mates, but I'm not gonna do it, you know, anymore. All right, this is looking good. This is looking good, 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 good. I would love to see a market structure shift here, man. ¿Qué pasa? You needy fucking dog. Venga pues. Venga pues, ahora sí. Ah. I think she's scared of. I think my dog is scared of my ice machine. Yeah. Ice making machine, whatever. All right. There you go. Let's see if we can get some price failures. Uh-huh. Whoa. Gold just broke with the highs. There you go. Oh boy. I always forget to do this. Modify my orders, right? So because two contracts, right? I had five contracts riding on this gold longs. So my sell limit which is my target, was five contracts, and my stop loss, which is my sell stop, is five contracts, or was five contracts. But I sold four contracts, right? So that means that I took profit on four contracts out of my five micro contracts here. But the sell limit and the sell stop do not get modified, so I need to do that manually. And if I don't, then when price hits my targets, it's going to close one contract and sell four. Yeah. It's just one of those days. Why you want? Yeah, pretty nice move here on gold. All right, this is going to be a waiting game. A waiting game. So, do you have any question whilst we wait, man? Whilst we wait, ha! Whilst we wait. target is about to get hit here in gold for about. Oh no, it's much higher. Ah, it's much higher. The target is much higher. I forgot to change it on my futures. Yeah, here's where I want to target it. On my futures account. Oh shit. And I said, what about breakfast at Tiffany? She said, I think. So that was kind of a sniper entry, right? Kinda. Kinda. All right, so the S&P 500 just broke with the highs. No change here in. Well, we're not. I mean, longs are still not out of the woods. You know, let's wait and see what happens. We need to wait. We can't react to this. I have a plan, and my plan is to fucking wait and sit on my hands. So I shall do that. Still banking. It's just one of those days. All right, so I've been live for an hour. Nothing much to do here. Okay, but I'm gonna wait. I mean, I'm gonna stick around because, like I told you, we might get a play here on the S&P 500 short. We might get a play here. Wah wah wah. Boom, gold. Yeah. Why didn't you let it ride? Why did you take profit? Because who the fuck knows if price was going to break with these highs? I don't know. No one fucking knows. Shit. And you know what? I might just take my whole bag here. Right. No, I'm not gonna do that. Price failing on the S&P 500. Heads up. Price failing on the S&P 500. Heads up. There you go. Price failing on the S&P 500. Let's go. So here's a bullish fair value gap or bullish imbalance. I guess I could, in fact, get in on some very aggressive shorts if price just closes below this and feels that imbalance. I guess I could. I won't though. Here's that agro entry. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll take the bag here in gold.
Order filled.
Order filled. So one step closer. One step closer. And I'm gonna take the bag here in gold for an extra 190 pips. Boom. All right, so that was a great trade on gold. You see why I hate those aggressive entries, man? Uh-huh. You see why? Uh-huh. All right, you see why I hate those aggressive entries? On weekly chart, it seems going gold might fall. Can you check it out? Yeah, sure, man. I don't look at the weekly chart, but I'll do that for you. Of course, man. What the fuck, the weekly? That was another good one. Yeah. The gold. Love that. I love this market, right? When it's not ranging. All right, the weekly chart in gold. Okay, the weekly. I might, yeah, this is the very beginning. This is gold futures on 2001. Yeah, I have to go to CFDs, right? Hold on. I'll go back here. I'll go back here to the 50-minute chart. All right, so the reason that I took profits here on gold, I'm going to show you that first. Because of gold, taking out this buy side liquidity. Liquidities are targets, just targets for me. Yeah, my other target was a little bit too aggressive for a day trade, mates. For a day trade, gold might continue higher. Gold might continue higher than this, but it won't do it without a deep pullback. And I just didn't want to give money out, because I don't know if this is going to happen today. No one fucking knows. That's why when you're a day trade, you have to stick with your plan. All right, so gold, gold, gold. On the weekly, venga. Shit. All right. Ooh. Targets are targets, man. So what was I going to do? Oh, on the weekly, I don't know. We are at all-time highs, man. I don't know what to tell you. You think are you saying this because of this candle formation? I don't know. I don't fucking know. And yeah, I couldn't know for sure. No, I mean, I trade with levels, zones, etc. Candle formations mean nothing to me. That's about it. All right, so here we go. Aggressive entry on the E-mini S&P 500. I'll do a little bit, more, just a little bit. I'm up $569 for the day on this challenge account. Still, price has not closed below that imbalance, so I guess I won't be taking an aggressive short entry here. Ooh, laka chaka. Ooh, 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 ooh. Good morning. Ya te voy a dejar. Because I'm one step closer to the end, and I'm about to break. Every little thing you say. Alright. Well, shit. Yo. Yo. Yo ho. Let's just wait. You know what? I mean, trading is all. I mean, this is what it is, right? It's just waiting for the setup. I mean, it's absolutely nothing like you see on the fucking movies. I don't find it. So no aggressive entries for me today at all. I guess I'll finish this live show right now. There's nothing to do here. Yeah, there's absolutely nothing to do here today, guys. So yeah, I'll just call it a day. Again, a great gold trade. Don't give that money back to the markets if there's nothing to do. Don't be a chump. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.